Maths Mela. CIET NCERT presents audiobook Maths Mela. Textbook of Mathematics for Class 3.
Chapter 7 Raksha Bandhan. Page 82. Here we have a picture of Gopal's house during a festival. Tomorrow is Gopal's favorite festival. Gopal and Dhara are very excited. Their beloved Atya, that is, father's sister, is visiting them today. They have cleaned and decorated their house. Carefully observe Gopal's house. What do you find interesting here? Dash. Find and count the number of each of these objects and write leaves, dash, glasses, dash, pomegranate, dash, flowers, dash. Page 83. Celebration begins. Dhara's mother has bought some material for the festival. Guess the festival they are preparing for? Here we have a picture of Dhara's mother along with the material that she has bought. A girl on the right tells us it's Raksha Bandhan. Let's make Rakis. We have a picture of Dhara on the right telling us it is Raksha Bandhan. Let's make Rakis. Here we have a picture of a Rakhi. Gopal says, "Look, my teacher has taught us to make Rakhis." Dhara says, "For each Rakhi we need one flower, dash threads and dash beads." Gopal says, "We need to make 5 Rakhis." Their mother asks you, how many threads, flowers and beads do they need? Page 84. Dhara says, "Each Rakhi uses 1 flower. We need to make 5 Rakhis." Dhara takes 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 flowers equal to dash flowers. This can also be said as 5 times 1 or 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. For 5 Rakhis we need dash flowers. Dhara again tells us, each Rakhi uses 2 threads. We need to make 5 Rakhis. Dhara takes 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 threads equal to dash threads or 5 times 2 or 5 multiplied by 2. For 5 Rakhis we need dash threads. Again Dhara says, each Rakhi uses 4 beads. We need to make 5 Rakhis. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 beads is equal to dash beads or 5 times 4 or 5 multiplied by 4. For 5 Rakhis we need dash beads. Page 85. Try it out. For making 10 such Rakhis we need dash flowers, dash threads and dash beads. There are 30 flowers, 30 threads and 30 beads. How many Rakhis can you make with this material? Use drawings if needed to find out the answer. There is a blank space given here for your answer. Fun activity. Try making a colorful Rakhi at your home. Show it in the class. Page 86. Jagannath Sweet Shop. Here we have Gopal and Dhara who are in the market. Before a sweet shop, they have come along with their father. Gopal says, "Bappa, our Atya likes laddus. Let's buy some." Their father says, "Sure." Dhara says, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm getting confused in counting them. Their father says, "Wait, Dhara, let the shopkeeper arrange them in a box." How would we count the laddus in this box? There is a picture of a laddus box. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to dash, or 3 times 3 equals 9, or 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to dash. There are dash laddus in this box. Their father says, "Please give me 2 boxes of laddus." Here we see a picture of 2 boxes of laddus. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. There are 18 laddus. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to dash, or 6 times 3 equals 18, or 6 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. There are 18 laddus. Page 87. Gopal and Dhara's father tells us, "After Atya and children come, we will be 9 people in the house. When we distribute 18 laddus equally to all, how many will each of us get?" We have a picture of a box of laddus given on the right. Can you help Dhara find this out? Imagine yourself to be Dhara. Distribute 18 laddus equally among 9 of your friends. Let's see how Dhara has done it. We see here the distribution Dhara has done in the form of a picture on the left, and we see on the right side pictures of boxes of laddus. After the distribution, items left have been cut on the right. After 2 laddus in each plate, the items left are shown on the right again. When 18 laddus are shared equally among 9 people, each of them gets dash laddus. 18 equally shared by 9 is 2 each, or 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2 laddus. Page 88. Try it out. Observe the figure carefully. Estimate the number of kaju katlis. Here we have some kaju's katlis given in a rectangle. Count and write the number of kaju katlis. Total number of kaju katlis is equal to dash. Distribute all kaju katlis equally among 5 people. You can do it by drawing kaju katlis on the plates. How many will each get? Compare your work with Dhara's work. Here we see 5 plates, and each plate has 1 kaju katli drawn on it. Items left is shown as 20 minus 5 is equal to dash, because 20 kaju katlis are shown in the rectangle on the left side. Again, now we have 2 kaju katlis drawn on each of the 5 plates. Items left is equal to 20 minus 5, which is equal to 15 minus 5, which is equal to 10. Page 89. Now we have 3 kaju katlis drawn on each of the 5 plates. Items left, 20 minus 5, 15, minus 5, 10, minus 5, 5. Now we have 4 kaju katlis drawn on each of the 5 plates. Items left, 20 minus 5, 15, minus 5, 10, minus 5, 5, minus 5, 0, which is also shown in the blank box on the left. 20 equally shared by 5 is 4 each. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. Page 90. Let us do. 1. Distribute all the kaju katlis equally among 4 people. How many kaju katlis will each get? Let us do this in the picture given here. Strike out the kaju katlis from the tray and draw them in the plates. Here on the right side we have a tray full of kaju katlis and 4 empty plates. The first step has been done for you. We have 4 Kaju Katlis in the 4 plates here. 4 Kaju Katlis from the tray have been marked out. Items left: 16 minus 4 equal to dash. Again, 4 Kaju Katlis have been marked. So, items left: 12 minus dash equal to 8 equal to dash. Now again 4 Kaju Katlis have been marked. Items left: 8 minus dash equal to dash. Once again 4 Kaju Katlis have been marked. Items left: 4 minus dash equal to dash. Each will get dash Kaju Katlis. 16 divided by 4 is equal to dash. Page 91. 2. Distribute all the 15 peras in plates equally among 5 people. How many peras will each get? Here we see total peras in a box. Total peras 15. 15 equally shared by 5 is dash each. 15 divided by 5 is equal to dash. 5 empty plates are also shown here. 15 minus 5 dash minus dash dash minus dash dash. Let us think. 1. Each cycle needs 2 wheels. How many cycles can be fitted with 12 wheels? Here we have the pictures of 8 cycles and 12 wheels are given below them. 12 equally divided by 2 is dash. 12 divided by 2 is equal to dash. Page 92. 2. Observe the picture carefully. Count the number of jalebis. Here we have 6 plates with few jalebis in each of them. There are dash jalebis. How did you count? Discuss with your friends. Counting in groups, we see there are 6 groups of 4 jalebis each, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to dash. Again, it is shown in the box. Or dash multiplied by 4 is equal to dash jalebis. Gopal tells his father, "Papa, we have bought 24 jalebis." His father says, "At home we are 9 members. Can we have 4 jalebis each?" Are there enough jalebis for everyone in Dhara's family to have 4 each? Share your thoughts in the class. How many jalebis should Dhara buy so that everyone can get 4 each? Page 93. Plants in the garden. Dhara and Gopal see a flower bed on their way home. There is a picture of a flower bed on the right side of the page. Dhara. The number of plants is 6 plus 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 6 equal to dash. 8 times 6 is equal to dash, which is equal to 8 multiplied by 6, which is equal to dash. Gopal. No, it is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 6 multiplied by 8. Who do you think is correct? Different ways of grouping. Here we see the 2 ways of grouping done by Dhara and Gopal. Dhara has done it as 8 multiplied by 6. Gopal has done it as 6 multiplied by 8. These are shown with the help of the dots. Can you complete this equal grouping and write it as multiplication? Can you find more equal groups of different sizes? Draw them and write as multiplication. A dot pattern with 2 squares is given on the right side of the page. Page 94. visit to a farm. The next day, the children take their appa and cousins to the farm. They see a lot of chickens there. Let us count chickens in the farm. We have a picture of the chickens in the farm here. 1 times 2 is 2, or 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 2 is 4, or 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 3 times 2 is 6, or 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 4 times 2 is dash, or 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. 5 times 2 is dash, or 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. 6 times 2 is dash, or 6 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. Dash times 2 is dash, or dash multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. Dash times dash is dash, or 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. Dash times dash is dash, or 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. Dash times dash is dash, or 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to dash. Page 95. Skip jumping game. In the evening, the family goes to the playing field. Atya draws a curvy number track on the ground with a stick. She asks Dhara to write numbers starting from 0. Here we have a picture of the family where Dhara says, "Let's play a game." Atya has drawn a curvy number track on the ground as shown here. Atya says, "Now I need a jumper. Who wants to jump?" Dhara says, "I will jump." Gopal says, "Number 3. Starting from 0, Dhara jumps to 3. From 3, she goes to 6. From 6, she goes to 9. Now continue to see how Dhara jumps after 9. On the curved number track, we see how Dhara has moved from 0 to 3 to 6 to 9. Dhara is skip jumping by 3. Here we have 2 columns. Column 1, number of jumps. Column 2, number reached. 1 jump, 3. 2 jumps, 3 plus 3, equal to 6, equal to 2 multiplied by 3. 3 jumps, 3 plus 3 plus 3, equal to 9, equal to 3 multiplied by 3. 4 jumps, dash. 5 jumps, dash. 6 jumps, dash. 7 jumps, dash. 8 jumps, dash. 9 jumps, dash. 10 jumps, dash. Write the answers in the blank spaces. Page 96. Let us do. 1. Guess and write the next number she will jump onto. 2. Is there a pattern? Dash. A blank space is given. 2. Is there a pattern in these numbers? 3, 6, 9, and so on. 3. How many steps forward is Dhara jumping each time? 4. Continue skip jumping by 6 by drawing the jumps on the number track. Here we have a number track with jumps of skip shown. 5. Can this skip jumping be used to form times 6 table? Write times 6 table in your notebook. 6. Is there repeated addition happening? Make times 4 table using repeated addition in the picture given here. We have a picture from 0 to 50 here, with jumps of 4 as a boy takes these jumps. The first jump is from 0 to 4 and then from 4 to 8, which can be shown as 1 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4, or 1 times 4, 2 times 4. Page 97. 7. Here we have again a number line from 0 to 50 with jumps of 1. but Gopal is doing skip jumping of some numbers. Observe the picture and tell, Gopal is doing skip jumping of dash steps. After 27, he will jump on dash, dash. 8. What times table can you construct from Gopal's jumps? Make it in your notebook. 9. Dhara also skip jumps. Gopal notes down the jumps, but he misses the first few numbers. The first 3 numbers are shown as blank spaces, and the rest of the numbers are 32, 40, 48, 56. By what numbers was Dhara skip jumping? Construct the times table of this number in your notebook. Let us play. Atya places a flower on 12. Skip jump with equal steps to reach the flower. No direct jumping to the flower is allowed. The one who reaches the flower in the smallest number of jumps wins. What skip jumping number will you choose? Dash. Here we have a blank track given for your answer. Play this game with your friends by putting the flower on different numbers on the track. See who is able to reach in the minimum number of jumps. Are there numbers that can be reached only through skip jumping by 1? Find 3 such numbers. Page 98. Fun way of writing tables. Mithu figures out another way of writing multiplication tables by drawing sticks. Do you observe repeated addition in this? Mithu had some sticks. He arranged them like this. On the right we have a picture of the sticks arranged by Mithu, who is smiling looking at them. He counted the red dots showing the intersection of sticks. Let's try making a 5 times table with sticks. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. This is shown with sticks and dots. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Again shown by sticks and dots. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Again this is shown by dots and sticks. On the right we have a table of 5. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. 4 times 5 is equal to dash. 5 times 5 is equal to dash. 6 times 5 is equal to dash. 7 times 5 is equal to dash. 8 times 5 is equal to dash. 9 times 5 is equal to dash. Complete the times 5 table using sticks. Make times 6 to times 10 tables using the sticks method shown here. Page 99. Multiplication tables. Here we have tables given from 1 all the way to 10. Seeing patterns in multiplication tables. Observe the times 5 table. What patterns do you make out? Guess what will be the last digits of 11 multiplied by 5 and 12 multiplied by 5. Give 3 examples of numbers that, when taken 5 times, gives an answer ending with 1, 0, dash, 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 2, 5, dash, dash, dash. Write your answers in the blank spaces. Without finding the answer, can you tell the last digits of 18 multiplied by 5, 23 multiplied by 5, 32 multiplied by 5, 50 multiplied by 5? Page 100. Observe the times tables of 2, 3, 5. They have a relation between them. Can you observe it? 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Is there a relation between the two circled numbers and the boxed number? Does this happen for the next rows also? Can you find other examples of two tables adding up to a third table? Let us do. 1. Draw pictures for each of the given problems in your notebook. Use counting, number line jumps or any other method to solve the problems. A. There are 5 jars with 4 cookies in each jar. How many cookies are there? B. An idli vessel contains 6 idli plates. In each plate we can make 4 idlis. How many idlis can be cooked in one go? C. 30 cookies are to be distributed among 5 children equally. How many cookies will each child get? D. Roro starts from 0 and takes 6 jumps to reach 18. All his jumps are of the same size. What is the size of Roro's jump? E. Toto does not take jumps of the same size and still reaches 18 in 6 jumps. How did Toto jump? F. Suma saves 8 rupees every day. After how many days will she have 56 rupees? G. Mary has 63 seashells. She gives 7 seashells to each of her 5 friends. How many does she have left? 2. Solve these problems. Try constructing a word problem. A. 4 multiplied by 9. B. 32 divided by 8. C. 6 multiplied by 7. D. 45 divided by 5. Page 101. We have a picture where Gopal is telling his father, "Bappa, I am making a cardboard rath. I need to make spokes for 20 wheels of the rath." We see Gopal making a cardboard rath in front of him on a table. Here we have a picture of Bhim making a cardboard rath. He tells his father, "Bappa, I am making a cardboard rath. I need to make spokes for 20 wheels of the rath." We see the cardboard rath in front of him on the table. Help Bhim. Bhim will need dash spokes. Think and share with your friends how you found the answer. Let us know how Bhim did it. 10 wheels will need 5 plus 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 5, which is equal to 10 multiplied by 5 equal to dash spokes. Another 10 wheels will need dash multiplied by dash equal to dash spokes. So the total number of spokes needed is dash plus dash equal to dash spokes. Try these. 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. Hint: you can find this by counting the spokes in 30 wheels. First 10 wheels will have dash spokes. Next 10 wheels will have dash spokes. Next 10 wheels will have dash spokes. Total is equal to dash spokes. 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash spokes. Complete these. 40 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. 50 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. 60 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. 70 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. 80 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. 90 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. 100 multiplied by 5 is equal to dash. Describe the patterns you observe here. Page 102. Dhara collected 45 spokes. How many wheels can she make? Here we have a picture of the kid telling us, "With 10 spokes I can make 2 wheels. 45 minus 10 is equal to 35. With another 10 spokes I can make 2 more wheels. 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. Does Dhara have enough spokes to make 10 wheels? How many wheels can you make with 60 spokes? Let us do. 1. A spider has 8 legs. 5 spiders will have dash legs. 10 spiders will have dash legs. 15 spiders will have dash legs. We have a picture of a spider building a web on the right. 2. How many legs will 23 spiders have? 3. A group of spiders have 32 legs. How many spiders are there in the group? 4. Here is a 3-wheeled auto rickshaw. How many wheels are there in? A. 18 auto rickshaws. B. 34 auto rickshaws. Page 103. 5. Auto rickshaws in a garage have a total of 36 wheels. How many auto rickshaws are there in the garage? 6. There is a line of 55 ants. One ant has 6 legs. What is the total number of legs in the line? 7. Mickey the mouse can see 48 legs of cows in the shed. How many cows are there in the shed? 8. Carrie the crow can see 24 horns of cows in the shed. What is the total number of legs in the shed? Let us think. 1. A frog is at 0. It takes jumps of only 7. What would be the largest number that the frog will reach before crossing 50? We have a number line from 0 to 50 with jumps of 1. 2. A frog wants to jump backwards from 50. It continues to take jumps of 7. What is the number after which it is not possible for the frog to make a jump of 7? Again, we have a number line from 0 to 50 with jumps of 1. 3. What numbers should the frog start from to reach 0, taking jumps of 7 each time? What do you observe? We again have the same number line from 0 to 50 with jumps of 1. Page 104. Puri Beach. 1. One wall hanging costs 42 rupees. How much do 2 wall hangings cost? 2 wall hangings cost 42 rupees plus 42 rupees, which is equal to 2 multiplied by 42 rupees. The cost of the 2 wall hangings, dash. We have a picture of beautiful wall hanging on the right. 2. One rubbery cup costs 75 rupees. Preeti buys 5 cups of rubbery. She has her mother's purse, which has only 100 rupee notes. How many 100 rupee notes should she give the shopkeeper? How much will the shopkeeper then return to Preeti? What is the total cost of 5 cups of rubbery? On the right we have a picture of a cup of rubbery. Seashells. Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making a necklace for each of his 3 friends. He looked for seashells the whole day. He collected 112 seashells by the evening. Now, he had many different colored and shiny shells. Dhruv is thinking to himself in the picture given here with many beautiful seashells in front of him near the sea. I will make a necklace of 28 shells. Will these shells be enough to make necklaces for my 3 friends? Page 105. He took 28 shells for 1 necklace. 112 minus 28 is equal to 84. Now he was left with 84 shells. Again he took 28 more shells for the second necklace. How many shells are left now? Then he took shells for the third necklace. So he was left with dash shells. Are the shells enough for making necklaces for all his friends? Dash. How many necklaces can Dhruv make from 112 shells? Dash. Try these. 1. Kannu makes a necklace of 17 seashells. How many such necklaces can be made using 100 seashells? 2. While searching for seashells, Dhruv also finds 127 shiny pebbles. He distributes them equally to his 3 friends. How many will each get? 3. Preeti has a 500 rupee note and wants to exchange it for lower denomination notes. How many notes will she get if she wants 1. All 50 rupees notes, 2. All 20 rupees notes, 3. All 10 rupees notes. Teacher's note. Encourage children to solve questions based on division with large numbers for which they do not know multiplication tables using repeated subtraction. More problems based on real-life contexts can be given. Page 106. Let us explore. There are 10 number cards from 1 to 10. There are 5 sealed envelopes. Each has 2 cards. On the top of each envelope, the multiplication of the numbers contained in it is written. The 5th envelope contains the cards 5 and 9. The number 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45 is written on the envelope. Here we have the different envelopes with different numbers written on them. Identify the number cards inside each of the envelopes.
Maths Mela. You were just listening to this audiobook. Narrator Gaurav Marwaha and Vasundhara Bose. Sound recording and editing Vikas Sangwan. Directed and produced by Vimalesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is presented to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.